Yesterday at 5 o'clock I was walking in the park. The sun was shining brightly, birds were singing after dark. Wasn't we're plusing, that's how we show what was happening. An action in progress in the past, past continuous, it's meant to last. While I was reading my book, you were playing your guitar. She was cooking in the kitchen, he was driving his new car. Wasn't we're plusing, that's how we show what was happening. An action in progress in the past, past continuous, it's meant to last. While I was reading my book, you were playing your guitar. She was cooking in the kitchen, he was driving his new car. While I was reading my book, you were playing your guitar. She was cooking in the kitchen, he was driving his new car. Wasn't we're plusing, that's how we show what was happening. An action in progress in the past, past continuous, it's meant to last. Use it for background actions, or interrupted by something new. I was sleeping when you called, shows what was ongoing, it's true. They were dancing all night long, we were singing our favorite song. It was raining cats and dogs, as the party was going strong. Wasn't we're busing, now you know what was happening. For ongoing actions in the past, past continuous, you've learned at last. So when you want to describe what was going